got to be like one of the best bass lines in a rock song right there. That's cool. Tears for Fears. Shout. This is a song that dates way back to college. I can remember jamming this. And when you tend to doubt your God. Hey, there's the car I was thinking of getting. Chrysler Town & Country. That's a new one. Those seats in the back fold down flat into the floor. I like he's got that rack on the top. I want to get that. What is the Chrysler, isn't it? Well, guys, I don't know what we're going to do. It's raining. Go anyway, I guess. Yeah, we're going to go anyway. I got a rain jacket right there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. People here freak out because it's raining.
This is a test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. This test is being conducted in conjunction with the North Carolina Tornado Drill. This drill is conducted annually to
I'm not getting under my desk.
Emergency managers and the public to exercise their tornado safety procedures. This practice tornado drill will remain in effect until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. There will be no follow-up statements issued. Schools and businesses participating in the tornado drill should exercise their severe weather safety plans now. This test also serves as the Emergency Alert System required monthly test for March. Broadcasters, in cooperation with local, state, and national authorities, have developed this system to provide the public with important emergency information should the need arise. This concludes the statewide tornado drill and test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System.
We're clear.